Hey everybody, Leann Forst here, and today I'm going to talk to you about wild orange, one of my favorite essential oils. Just real quick, just wanted to tell you some of the benefits of using this oil and how to use it. And so a lot of people don't realize how powerful wild orange is, and I was one of those people when I first got it. I just thought it smelled really pretty. And so it actually has antibacterial properties, and it's very high in antioxidants. And so for that reason, it's really great to support the immune system. I love putting a couple of drops into my water, into my stainless steel water bottle. Never use plastic because plastic interacts with essential oils, but just 1 or 2 drops is really going to enhance the immune system and give you antioxidant support. I also love to use it for energy. So same thing, putting it in my water and drinking it, or also diffusing it. And if you don't have a diffuser, you could just put a drop or 2 in your hands. I call this your portable diffuser, and just smell it in. And it's just really a great energy booster, but it's also a de-stressor. It's a happy oil. And so when you diffuse it or inhale it, it's going to be very uplifting to the spirit and the mind, and just be a happy oil. All citrus oils are mood balancing oils. Also, they're all photosensitive, so you need to be aware of that when you put essential oils on that are citrus oils on topically on your skin, and then you go outside, you have to cover up. Otherwise, you might get a sunburn on that area where you put the oil, okay? Another great use for wild orange is for anxiety and depression. Again, aromatherapy, diffusing it or inhaling it. And then you can actually use it in smoothies and sauces. And so it makes a great nutrient enhancer and adds antioxidants to your smoothies or your sauces. So that's wild orange. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Thanks.